Hey guys, iOS here. Welcome back to the channel. Today Apple released another beta for iOS 13, and yes, this one is iOS 13.6 beta 2. Now this one is a record breaker. This is the first time iOS hits a 0.6 update. And this is overwriting or going over iOS 13.5.5. Last week we saw beta 1 and Apple, I guess, scrapped that all together and just jumped straight to iOS 13.6 beta 2. So this is sort of a continuance to iOS 13.5.5. Again, this is just scrapping that and jump into 13.6 and continuing with beta 2. Now the software comes in at approximately 335 megabytes, give or take. Now, this has happened before where Apple has a software 0.5 and then just switches. Like before 13.5, it was iOS 13.4.5. Apple scrapped that all together and just jumped to iOS 13.5. So this is pretty much what happened here as well. Now, this software update does bring one change to the iPhone and iOS operating system. I'm gonna go over some of the changes, but wow, Apple just continues to just jump from beta to beta and it's just confusing at times. So right now, iOS 13.6 beta 2, the latest build number, there it is, 17G5045C is going to be the latest build. Now, what's new with this software? Well, as of right now, the only thing I've come across so far is under general software updates, and now we have a customized automatic update button here. Now, normally this was install automatically or automatically update. Now this has been switched to two toggles. Download iOS updates. iPhone will automatically download the update over Wi-Fi but not install it onto your iPhone. You can toggle that on or off. Now the second toggle, if you turn it on, this one is install iOS updates automatically, and this one will automatically install the update once it is downloaded over Wi-Fi. So you can now download the software but not install it, or install it all together once it's done downloading, or neither one, right? So you don't have to download the software if you have that option turned off. And that is basically everything that's new so far with iOS 13.6 beta 2. I'll continue digging around the software. I'm going to be doing some more research, and of course you can anticipate my follow-up video on this software in the next couple of days as usual. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you real soon. Peace.